Here we have a 2021 ATX 20 Type S towboat. It's got a tower on it, bimini, speakers, racks. This thing only has 11 hours on it, so it's hardly been used. Shoe tabs back here. Give you a look underneath there. We go inside. Got a nice sun pad back here. Cup holders, your motor's underneath there. Digital display, rated for 12 passengers. Lots of room in the front. Sure wet sound speakers. That seat there pulls forward. Lots of speakers. Sure, yep. A lot of storage in this boat too. We also have the swim mat flooring. Bolster driver's seat. Really nice boat, barely used. We do offer financing here at SkipperBud's. Stop in and check this one out. It does have the 6.2 liter in it.